Okay, so we just got done working joint A, and so we have all of our work for joint A, and so we can add some more stuff onto our working truss here. So we know that this is, I'm going to put this in here, so we know this is 262.8 pounds, and we know that this one is 437.7 pounds, but this one is actually going the opposite direction. So we're going to change this here so we on my working truss so I know what I'm working with. So this is going this way. This way. We're going to erase that. Okay, 437.7 pounds. So now what we're going to do is we're going to reevaluate what is it that we want to know. A is done. So A is done on our working truss. There's nothing else we need to know. I've got a little bit more information at B, but I still have an unknown, C, pretty much just like A. We can do that, not a problem. We got it. But look at this. B or D, I'm sorry, is going to be a super easy one because I only have two unknowns and they're direct vertical forces. So we're just going to work those real fast. So I'm going to go to joint number D. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and we are going to work joint D. So joint D, everything that we know for joint D. So the first thing we do is we're going to make a free body diagram. So here is joint D, everything that I know. I have 500 pounds coming down. I know that I have 262 pounds, 262.8 pounds going to the left. I do not know this one, which is BD, going up. And I do not know this one, which is BC, going to the right. But this should be a pretty easy one for us to solve because we know the sum of all of our forces in the x direction has to equal 0, and the sum of all of our forces in the y direction have to equal 0. So I'm going to do my x direction first. I have a 262.8, which is a negative. So this would be a negative 262.8 because it's going left, plus my BC vector has to equal to 0. So BC vector equals 262.8 pounds. So I know this one is 262.8 pounds. I'm going to sum my forces in the y direction. Sum my forces in the y direction have to equal 0. I'm going to start here. I have my BD, which is going positive. BD vector is a positive because it's going up, plus, and then I have my negative 500 pounds equals 0. So I know that BD is equal to 500 pounds. So we just solved for joint D. So we're going to go to our summary truss, and we're going to put this on here. So I know for my summary truss that this is going to be in tension, because it's positive, tension, 500 pounds. And this one was also correct in tension, and this was 262.8 pounds. We're getting there. So we are really starting to kind of cook with our summary truss. We have got to just do a little bit more solving. So now what we're going to do is figure out what do we want to solve for next. Now I've got some good information for B now, and so we can look at B. But what we've got is I can figure out what is my next problem going to be, and we'll put that into the next video to keep these compartmentalized for you.